Okay, so let's go to the linear regression analysis. Go to the fourth spreadsheet. Linear regression is a special case of regression. So relationship between variables forms the straight line. As you know, regression is a functional relationship between two variables or more correlated variables. So we have to find the correlation between independent variable and dependent variable. And when linear regression forms the straight line between the x variable and the y variable. And this x variable in this case is time variable because we are using the time series analysis. Y variable in this case is series demand. So when over time the series demand is changing. But that relationship forms the straight line. That's the regression. So we have 3 years, quarterly data, sales data, and firm wants to forecast each quarter of the fourth year, which is quarters 13 through 16. There are several ways to calculate the linear regression. The one way is to calculate is you can use the complex formula. So usually starting with linear regression equation y equals a plus b times t, where a is the slope of a is the y-intercept and b is the slope of the line, and t is the time variable. And b, and a, you can find the value using these formulas and using this whole process. Then b equals to 359.62 and a is the y-intercept is the 441.67. The other more simpler way to find out linear regression is using the Excel functions of y-intercept and slope, which I want to recommend, and I will use this way in this example. So instead of using this complex process of using the formula, use the very simple way of using Excel functions. Y-intercept equal sign, the intercept function. It says known y's, comma, known x. So select all the y variable, sales data, comma, or the x variable, which is the time series, time variable. Click. Then y-intercept a, the 441.67, exactly same number when you use the formula. And the slope, use the slope function, and then select the y variable, comma, x variable, which is a t. Then as you see, the same number comes here when you use the compared to the complex formula. So I recommend to use the Excel functions. Then you have to develop the linear regression equation. Y equals a, which is the 441.67 plus b is the 359.62 times t. Okay, that's the linear regression equation. Using this equation, you can forecast for period 13 through 16. And by the way, the other way to find out linear regression is you can use the Excel regression tool. So if you use the Excel regression tool, then you can find out this the summary output will be provided, and it shows the intercept and x variable 1. So that's exactly the same number. If you use the Mac, then you need to install the Stack Plus, which I included in this website. here. Okay, so click here to find out the process. Okay, so go to this linear regression equation and click. So you click the y-intercept plus b slope of the line times your time variable 13. But remember that this y-intercept and slope of the line should be fixed. So you have to add a dollar sign before and after your alphabet, then click. Then you can drag the formula into 16. Then they will show why they are changing the time variable, that y-intercept and slope of the line will remain the same. So that's your answer using linear regression analysis. Okay, thank you.